Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my, what month is this? I honestly don't remember how many months this is. Oh, 27 month no buy update. Yeah, it's been a little while since I bought like stuff just because I wanted to buy stuff. I do have a replacement haul, an organizational haul and such, and I do have some more stuff coming, but we'll get into that in a second. I have been tempted in this past month, and I don't know if it's because so much has been coming out. Amanda gave me a little taste of some new because she bought me the ColourPop palette, honey, and oh, I can't wait to dig into that thing. It is so pretty, but I'm kind of in crunch time to get things done by the end of the year with the experiment and all of my painting projects and stuff. I didn't even have time to do anything with this hair. I just threw it up in a messy bun and I'm like, forget about it. I don't care. I'm not leaving the house today, which is why I have the dark eyes today. But you know how that goes. So I've been tempted, and I've been tempted a lot by ColourPop lately. And I had never owned anything ColourPop until Amanda sent that palette. And I started looking on the website because I had to put it in my inventory, and I keep track of not only how much I have, but how much my value is and everything else. Oh goodness. And then there was that 60% off sale, and some pretty oranges were on sale, and that lilac palette came out. Then I saw Alex, who's One Beauty Addict. I saw her comparison of some different palettes. Got chills just thinking about it with all the reds and the pinks and the purples. Color. Y'all know I like my color. And it was killing me. I really, really, really wanted to buy. And then I looked at my inventory. And then I went through my drawers and I started trying to organize for next year and looking at the colors that I already have. And I'm like, nope, I'm good. I'm good. So I got over my ColourPop thing. And then I just saw today that Too Faced has a new gingerbread palette, like extra spicy. Not as pretty as the first one, but I didn't get the first one, even though I really wanted the first one. But it was during my no-buy, and so I got the little twinge. But really, if I was going to buy something, it would have been the first one, not the second one. And yeah, I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to buy anything except organizational stuff and replacements until June 23rd of 2020. Crazy. I'm going to be going from June 22nd, I think was, actually June 23rd of 2017 was the last time I purchased anything. And so I need to go to June 23rd of 2020. That just seems crazy. Does it seem crazy to you guys? Because it seems crazy to me. It really does. I mean, it feels like a long time and it doesn't at the same time, probably because I have so stinking much. I don't know. But I had twinges. I really did. And I did do some shopping on that 10 times points Ulta sale. And it was all replacements and organizing stuff. But I will be honest, I was looking at things and I was like, oh, but this is on sale and I can get it for 10 times the points, and I didn't do it. I didn't do it. There are some things I did replace that I've been out of for a while and I've been missing them, but I've been like, nah, no, don't do it. But there are some things that I really am missing, and since I used them up during my no-buy, technically I could replace them. So I did that, and one of them I actually finished this year. And I was just like, now let me see how long I can go without before. Actually, two things I've done this year and gone without, sort of. You'll see. All right, let's get into it. Because my jonesing for makeup, I'm feeling a little anxious about it, which is weird. And I haven't really been feeling that anxious prior to like the past few weeks, and I think that is more my own natural anxiety is at a higher level since the kids have started school and I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off, and that transfers over into my retail therapy wannabe, and you know, you guys know how it is. So let's get into the replacement haul. Words. My kids are out there watching Smurfs, The Lost Village or something like that, so they may wander in, or they may actually be like focused in. I don't know. I don't know. It's not quite their bedtime yet, so hopefully they'll stay out there and just do their thing. All right, replacement haul. I got the 2 mascaras from Essence, the Lash Princess, False Lash Effect. I actually ordered these before I started working on the green one. I was still working on the purple one, and everyone had me convinced that the green was so much better than the purple, and that I should really, really enjoy the green so much more than the purple, even though I was loving the purple. Lo and behold, right after I ordered these, I started working on the green, and I realized I actually like the purple better. But I have them. I'm going to use them. I like the green. I like it a whole lot, but I like the purple one better. But this is what I have. I will use them, and when these are done, I will replace them with a purple. I think that has become my holy grail mascara. And, you know, all the people that said this one is better, it just proves to me that we're all so very different that, you know, the same things are not going to have the same effects for everyone. And this is really good. I just like the purple one better. That's just all there is to it. We're all very different people. And that's why there's so many millions of kinds of cosmetics. Next on the replacement is, these were the buy 2 get 2. This is the Ulta Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I was on my last one. And a buy 2 get 2, 10 times points. You darn tootin' that I was going to order those. So, you know, I'm on my last mousse. It is going to be done any day. Any day. It might even be done by the time this video goes up. So I ordered, of course, the bag is in the way. I left everything in the box until I could show you guys. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. This is Curly Girl approved, so this will be my first time having a mousse that is Curly Girl approved. And they were buy one, get one 40% off, I think. So I just grabbed 2 of them because your girl likes her mousse. So we will find out if that is any good. Let's see, what else did I replace? All right. Color corrector. I finished my conceal palette. It had color corrector in it.
I have a treat.
And look, there's all the kids.
I want fudge stripe cookies.
More fudge stripe cookies. All right, let mommy finish, and then.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, you like my. I found my husband's lava lamp yesterday, and I have it sitting here in my vanity, and the kids are enthralled by it. It's a purple lava lamp. Like the wax or whatever that's inside it is like a deep purple, and it's pretty cool. It is purple. All right, go watch the Smurfs, and I'll come out as soon as I'm done and get you guys some fudge stripes. I love you.
2 fudge stripe.
I'll give you 2 fudge stripe cookies because you ate all of your dinner.
I want 2 fudge stripe cookies again.
Okay, Batman. Love you. This is my life. So the color corrector, this girl has not been getting much sleep, and I'm noticing that the concealer is not doing quite as good a job without having a color corrector. So on Amanda's recommendation, I got the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer Color Corrector, and this is in the peach, to work on those dark circles under my eyes. And I'm sure I will already like it better than the one that I finished, because that was it was like a potted, panned conceal palette, and it was thick and goopy, and didn't like the texture of it a whole lot. So I'm hoping that this one will be better. I want to say this was at like 30% off, but it's like dirt cheap anyway. So, and it was recommended by my girl, so Amanda, it better be good. All right, the other one that people have been asking me about for quite a while, if I was going to replace it, and I decided that I was going to. I've got foundation. It's been so long since I purchased any foundation. I didn't know what to buy, what colors to buy, since I was ordering off of Ulta, and you know, I haven't purchased in forever. So I actually got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I got the LA Girl Pro Matte High Def. And I got 2 shades of each because I don't know what color I am, because I have not purchased these ever before. And I originally had some darker shades in my basket, and the man's like, no, 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 go lighter, go lighter. And I actually think these are both going to be too light for me. I mean, one might be better for my winter shade, but I don't know. This one looks super light. We'll have to wait and see. And on the LA Girl Pro Mattes, I'll tell you what I got. It's 125 nude beige and 118 light beige. And the light beige looks, oh my God, light. It looks like concealer light. And for the LA Girl Pro Matte concealer, or not concealer, high definition foundation, I got Bisque, and what is this one? Beige. So that is those 2 right there. I go through foundation pretty quickly, and I do like my mineral foundations, but I don't know, there's just something about liquid foundation, something about the routine of it. I also do like to put my tea tree oil in it, and the one that I made is still kind of breaking me out. It's almost done, and I did put a little bit more tea tree oil in it. It is helping, but you know how it is. So I decided I'm gonna bite the bullet, and I got the liquid foundations. And these were on sale. I don't remember if it was like buy one get one 40% off, buy one get one half off. I don't remember what the exact deal was. Oh, my handsome. All right, let mommy finish, okay? And then I'll get your cookies. I know it's hard when you're 5 and you want a cookie. So yeah, I've got that. And the only other thing that I got from Ulta is the palettes. The empty palettes. They were empty. They're not empty now. These were, because they have the Ulta Beauty stamp on them, they were with the buy 2 get 2. So yeah, they're $20 a piece and buy 2 get 2. So I bought these 2 for $40, and I got these 2. So yeah, basically it boiled down to they were $10 a piece. So that's dirt cheap. They're all full already. I did some crazy depotting. Did a lot of depotting. And yeah, so that was my organization stuff. I do also have another haul coming, if you will, and that was a Shop Miss A haul. And I've never ordered from them before, and I want to say I ordered like 2 weeks ago, and it's still not here. I think I had seen or heard somewhere that their shipping is pretty daggone slow, but I ordered some of the small palettes to be able to do in my makeup basket and stuff like that, just to keep things a little bit more organized. And I ordered a bunch of those. I'm going to be sending some to my girl because she wanted some, but she didn't want to order and pay for shipping and stuff. So I just ordered a bunch, and that's coming. I got a couple other things, no makeup whatsoever, and yeah, didn't break my no buy, because no makeup, no body hair, skin, none of that stuff, just organization. I got some costume jewelry just to play around, you know, that kind of stuff. So when that comes in, I will let you guys see all of that, but it's mostly the magnetic palettes, and they're the small ones that fit like 9 of the circle pans, like this size. That happens to be a Coastal Scents Hot Pot, but it's the same size as Makeup Geek, MAC, and all of those. So ColourPop, I think, is the same size. The 26mm pans, so fits 9 of those. They're perfect, absolutely perfect for like my makeup baskets and for individual projects and stuff if I want to keep them organized. That is it. That is everything. It's a lot, and my kids want cookies. Should I offer you guys some virtual cookies again? Because I can give you guys cookies if that's what you want. I can do that. I can even bake some homemade ones, but you're not getting them tonight because this girl is not baking at 7 o'clock at night. Sorry. Not going to happen. I'll bake them for you another day. All right, I'm going to wrap this up, put all of this stuff away. But before I do all that, I'm going to get my kids some cookies. Let me know how you guys are doing with your no buys and your low buys. Have you broken it with anything? If so, what broke your no buy or your low buy? And if you've only done replacements, what was the last thing that you had to replace? All right, wrapping it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.